both jobs, okay? There are some restrictions, okay, that she has as a model, and some obligations that she also have to do as a snowboarder, okay? I wrote here on the board, yeah, two ideas that I took from the text, okay? A snowboarder has to wear a crash helmet, and a club DJ can get up late, okay? Or we can also say a model can't eat, right, chocolates or fast food, okay? Well, do you think that she has another possibility? I mean, is this an obligation or not? If you want to have a job as a snowboarder.
For her safety is an obligation.
Yeah, you have to do it, right? For your own safety. So you have to wear a crash helmet. What other things does she have to do, yes, as a snowboarder? What are other things the text mentioned that she has to do as a snowboarder, guys?
To eat too much proteins?
Yes, she has to eat proteins, a lot of proteins. What else? She has to train probably a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the clothes?
Tight clothes and warm clothes.
She has to wear warm clothes. Okay. What kind of things she can do as a model, or she can't do as a model?
She can eat fast food.
Okay, she can eat fast food.
Or cakes or stuff.
What else? She can go to the gym. Yes. What else? She can wear, designer clothes. So I want you to observe, yes, the words that are in blue, guys. Can you tell me what are those two words here? Are these verbs, nouns, pronouns? Yeah? Modals. Very good. Modals. Okay. What do we use modals for? What do we use them? We use them for
when we, for example, when we need a permission for do something.
okay. Yeah. Okay. So here we're talking about obligations, right? Okay. She has to wear helmet. So this model represents an obligation. Okay. So models can express obligations. What about this one?
Permission.
Permission, very good. It represents permission, right? Okay. So permission. Okay. So models can represent obligations and permissions. But now, what do you notice? Okay. What can you see? How the verb is conjugated? How the verb is conjugated here, guys? Bare infinitive forms, okay? Bare infinitive form here. But what about here? So here, bare infinitive, okay? A club DJ can get. It is not necessary to use a preposition, right? Not necessary. But what about here? Is it necessary? Yeah, we need a preposition, right? So we need two elements here. A verb, and a preposition here. So there are three types, in fact, of modals, okay? The first one, is single models, okay, or single word model. This is a single word model, okay? Because we don't need a preposition, but just a model, okay? And they are infinitive forms of the verbs. What about this one? This is a two-word model, okay? And it is necessary to use a preposition in some cases, okay? There is another another prepositions, okay? Like for example, we have here can't. We can also use. I will write it here in the word. Could, yeah, may, might, yeah, should, okay, must, shall, yeah, and will and would, okay? All these are models and they can help us to express, yeah, a possibility, yeah, suggestions, yeah, things like that. Okay, and here, okay, we can include, yeah, has to, I will write it here, need to, and, well, that's it. So, yeah, just two. And, well, is it necessary to conjugate the modals? No? What about here? Yeah, it's necessary, right? Because it's third person singular form. But what about if I, well, here's no borders. Have to. So we need to conjugate, yeah, the modal verb, yeah, according to the noun or the, sorry, the pronoun or the subject, okay? So the same happened with need. Needs to, needed, etc., etc., okay? Well, and the same here. Can, whom, may. Well, with this one, it is not necessary, okay? But just with this one and this one, present and past, okay? Well, now, this is what I want you to do, guys, okay? In the section of grammar here, I'm sorry, do you have any question with this? Questions? No? Well, let's practice, and well, if you have questions, I can help you with that, okay? So, in the section of grammar, you have some columns, two columns, that I want you to match, okay? I want you to match the beginning with the end. So there you have the first example that I wrote on the board. A snowboarder has to wear a crash helmet. Then we have a club DJ. Can't get up late. All right. A flight attendant. Doesn't have to pay. Okay. Yeah, please match the columns. Can we check it out, guys?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. So, a flight attendant, okay, doesn't have to pay for flights. Tour guide has to know a lot of history. Excellent. A model?
Can eat
Yeah, can't eat fatty food. And a cook.
Has to have very clean hands.
Very good. Okay. If you observe, yes, in the margin of your book, you will see, yes, the different models that I wrote here on the board and how can we use them. Okay. Well, now look at the section number 2. It says match the underlined part of each sentence A to D with the correct meaning. Okay. Okay. Well, guys, well, let's check the activity 2. So I can arrive at any time. It's okay for me, right? I can't wear jeans. Yeah.
I have to use the computer.
I have to use a computer.
It's necessary for my
It's necessary for me too, and I don't have to wear a uniform. Very good. Okay. Well, now, as I told you before, models can have different, or can express different things like permission, obligations, yeah. And also, they can express if something is a good idea or not, okay? Like recommendation, okay? You can recommend someone to do something. And in the photocopies that you have in your hands, you have 3 different aspects of our lives. Like, okay, how important is to have a good friends, and which are the aspects that you have to consider if you want to find a very good friend, okay? Your ideal job, how important is to, or which aspects do you need to consider, yeah, if you want to have your ideal job, and also life as a partner, okay? So please read down the statements and pick, okay, how important is for you those aspects that are mentioned in the photocopy, okay? If you have any question about the vocabulary, guys, just let me know, okay? Oh. Sorry. No.
We should do this partial presentation of the same subject that they explained about the jobs.
Yeah, part.
Like an interesting topic.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. What is trustworthy? trustworthy. Yeah, yes, trustworthy. You can trust in that person, okay? You ready, guys? No? Yeah, you don't worry, yeah, you have to reflect about it, but not too much.
It's real, not fake.
I don't know.
It's on the official webpage.
Is it on the official webpage?
Checa.
Yeah, but please check it in the official page. I don't know, somebody told me that
Me too.
there will be a strike tomorrow, but I'm not sure about it.
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
So 4 minutes ago they posted.
Oh my
this.
God, okay. Yeah, that's,
Oh, but yeah.
this semester we have, yeah, we had a lot of problems. Yeah. But well, okay, you finished, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is what I want you to do, okay? Pay attention. In groups, okay, I will let you know which is the number that you will work with. You have to discuss, okay? Discuss in English, yeah, with your classmates, how important are these aspects for you. And if you consider in the group that there is something else that you have to take into consideration, yes, with a friend, with a good friend, your ideal job, and life as a partner, you have to include it in this list, okay? But discuss first. Well, this is really important for me because I consider that, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, and then you explain to your classmate your point of view, okay? And if the group consider that there is something else that you need to add to this list, please do it, okay? So if you want to include 5 or 10, it doesn't matter, okay? You can do it, okay? So please get together in the groups, okay, and discuss. You will have 10 minutes to do it, okay? Okay, number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, Carla, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Number 1, please stay over here. Number 2 here, 3 there, 4, 5, and 6. Okay.
Number 1.
Move it.
5.
Just 2.
It's official, baby.
6.
Come on, stand up, guys. Hurry up, hurry up. 6.
Get up. Get up.
Five.
number 5. Okay, you can
Hi, Crystal. I'm going to be you starring this video. Chicos, what did you answer? Ay, esta no es la mía. Esta es la tuya. Esta es la mía. Ya. Esto lo pasó todo mi maestro. ¿Qué te arreglaste? Lo de mis clases con... Se jefa de grupo no está escuchando. For you, is it important to be at proximity?
For me,
we have technology now. We can use technology now. WhatsApp, chatting via or WhatsApp.
okay, the next question. What is important to be a good listener? For me, I need a good friend, and I need that he or she hears me when I tell my problems or someone happened in my life.
For me, a good friend, it's not. It's important that he would be listener, but it's not very important.
My idea or idea. Why is important should be well paid. Sorry. Why it's important to have the same interest as me. Very important. I don't care the interest of me. I have my interest. The person care of this.
For me, it's not important. He can share their experience for me, and I could be interested in that.
Our ideal job. Why is important? The well-paid. For me, very important. For example, in the future, I want to pay my credit card or I don't know, my house, my car, maybe, and it's very important for me.
That's very important.
Should be well paid. Very important. Shouldn't be stressful.
Shouldn't be
Quite
stressful.
important. Should be useful to
Why is
society. Not very important. Just need to be useful.
I think it would be, it should be a little bit stressful to make it interesting.
Not at all. My life partner.
Can you read the next?
Not very important. Be good people.
For me, it's quite
Have a
important.
good job. Not at all.
Should your ideal job have lots of holidays?
Quite important.
Quite important.
Well paid.
My life partner shouldn't smoke. Very important because I hate when a person is smoking in the street or in the school. I hate this.
For me, not this very important.
I don't know.
No, it doesn't matter. Okay. Should your life partner be a good looking?
Quite important.
Quite important. No? Should your life partner have a good job?
Very important.
I need money.
Yes.
From another side.
Yes, I agree. Should your life partner have the same interest as me? I'm not sure.
Quite important.
Quite important.
Because change the ideas.
We cannot be like 2 drops of water. It's important to have some interest in common. Yes.
That's it.
Some other things that don't forget to find some other aspects. Discuss that.
It's more easy. Fine. On vacation. This is my life. The job that I'm
Jesus number is going to report back to